Hi, this is VC Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete duplicate apps on your Android. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! As you added some duplicate apps on your Android phone by mistake, you can manually remove them one by one. However, this isn't a efficient method, especially there are many duplicate apps on your smartphone. So how you can remove duplicate app from your Android phone with ease? You can follow this step by step in this video. So on my previous video first, you can see the how to clone or how to duplicate apps on your Android phone. But now, what if you want to delete it? It's so simple. As you can see in here, I have two Amazon apps and also two Telegram apps on my phone. Sorry, I will just move it first. As you can see, for the duplicate one, there is icon like yellow icon beside on the corner of the apps, and here you can see it meant this one is the duplicate one, and for the real one is this one. But now, what if you want to remove it, you want to delete it? It's so simple. You can just tap and hold on the app that you want to uninstall. Now there is like info icon on there, you can just tap on that and you'll find there is an option uninstall. You can just tap on that, tap on OK. So the duplicate apps will be removed or uninstalled from your Android phone. Let's do the same thing for this one. So simple, right? So now I only have one Telegram app and also the one Amazon app on my phone. So that is how to uninstall, how to delete duplicate apps on your Android phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!